Welcome back to LearnEarnCrypto channel. Today's video is about staking your VeChain crypto. Do you know that you can possibly make money from your crypto asset, like getting interest payments from a traditional bank? Staking is the method of earning a passive income on a cryptocurrency that you already own by allocating or staking it on the blockchain. One of the easiest ways to stake your crypto is through exchanges like Binance, or through the official desktop wallet using your Ledger Nano wallet. On Binance Exchange, you can go to your wallet and then select Earn, click Buy Products, and then search for your crypto that you want to stake. In this example, let's search for VeChain. Now, lock staking can give you an estimated 3.47 annual percentage yield for 15 days, or flexible savings with 0.83% annual percentage yield for flexible, which allows you to redeem your stake asset anytime. VTHO is the interest you will earn on staking VeChain. VTHO tokens are used to power calculations and processes on the VeChain blockchain. Another way to stake your VeChain is through the locally controlled wallet using your Ledger Nano and the official desktop wallet called Sync. Storing your VeChain in Ledger Nano wallet and Sync will automatically generate and earn VeTHO tokens every 10 seconds at a rate of 0.000432 VeTHO per VeChain per day. VeTHO token price is currently at 0.01 US dollars, and you can sell this to USD in Binance or other exchange. So how do you store your VeChain to your Sync wallet using your Ledger Nano wallet? First, you need to buy a Ledger hardware wallet through ledger.com. Then you can store your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency that you own. I strongly recommend to buy Ledger wallet through ledger.com and not on the other third-party resellers. You may use the Ledger link in the description below. Once you receive your Ledger device, you need to initialize it. You can go to support.ledger.com and follow the step-by-step on how to set up your Ledger Nano wallet. And then after you set up, you can go to ledger.com to download the Ledger Live desktop app. You can also download the Ledger Live in App Store or Google Play. Your next step is to download the official desktop wallet called Sync. You can go to env.vechain.org and then click Download Sync. After you have installed your Ledger Live desktop app and the Sync wallet, you can now open the Ledger Live and go to the manager. Next, you can search VeChain in the app catalog. Click the install button to start the installation. For this case, I already installed the VeChain app. After you click the install button, just follow the instructions when installation windows appears. After the installation of your VeChain app in Ledger Live, you can now open the Sync wallet. And then we can start to import your Ledger device. At the top right, click the wallet icon, which will direct you to Wallet app. Next, you can click on Ledger. And then just follow the steps appears on Sync. You may also refer to the user guide in docs.vchain.org and then select Ledger device. Now I'm going to show you how to send your VTHO or VeChain from exchange like Binance. First, you need to go to your wallet and go to Spot and select VTHO or VeChain. And then click Withdraw. To transfer your VTHO to your Sync wallet via Ledger Nano, you need to get the address from your Sync wallet. You can open the Sync, go to your My Ledger, select your wallet, and then you can scan the QR code or copy the address. Then go back to your Binance app and paste the address. Input the amount. For this example, we set to the minimum 400 VTHO tokens. Then click Withdrawal. And then within 2 to 5 minutes after some network confirmation, you should be able to receive your VTHO tokens in your Sync wallet. You can check from the activity log, click on the magnifying glass, and you can verify the transaction or the VTHO tokens that you have sent. To send your VTHO token from Sync wallet to your Binance Exchange wallet or any exchange, you can go to the home page from Sync wallet and then go to My Tokens. Click your wallet, select VeChain or VTHO, and then input the address from your exchange wallet, input the amount, and then click Send. Now let's check the VeChain price. The VeChain against US dollar is now trading around 16 cents. So if you bought at the breakout of this diagonal resistance line at 13 cents, then your position is up around 20%. This recent price action shows we have more volume, so this could be a legit breakout. But you may also expect a pullback around this previous resistance, which is between 14 cents to 15 cents. The weekly MACD still looks very healthy. Now we are seeing a second green histogram bar. Now let's check the Bitcoin dominance chart. With the Bitcoin dominance continuing to go down, we can expect most of the altcoins prices to go up substantially, which is also known as the altcoin season. This potential double bottom pattern may not be valid anymore. What if we are now forming a new potential pattern, which is a descending triangle with a support at around 40%? If this pattern breaks down, then we could be looking at the new all-time low for the Bitcoin dominance, which means most of the altcoin could literally go to the moon. Please take note that this is only a speculative analysis. This pattern can also break out to the upside. That's all for today. Let me know down in the comments below the altcoins you're watching. Let's try to find a potential buy entry in the next video. Please do subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.